Okay, let's work through the Insure with Us example. This is the basic file, and we'll go through the steps in formatting the file. So first of all, you need to center and bold your heading. So you take your cells across the top, you go to your Home tab and you hit Merge and Center, and then you expand it up to 16 font and you make it bold. So that's your heading done correctly. Then you need to resize column A by double clicking the line between A and B, and then your column titles, highlight the row, go to Format, wrap the text, choose OK, and then your text title or your column titles will get wrapped like that, and they're also set to bold. And also the age column is centered using the center button. Okay, so that's your basic formatting, and there's marks going for formatting in most Excel questions, so do format as per what you see in the handout you're given. So now we're on to the actual if statement itself. Or I beg your pardon, the first thing we need to do is put in the basic premium, and in this example we're using absolute referencing to pull up your basic premium. Rather than entering 500 in every row, we have basic premium up here on top, and we refer back to that cell from each of the other cells. So we go equal to, and we go and get our basic premium, and we hit return. But you notice that if you drag that down, you won't get 500 in every cell because it's not absolute referencing. You need to correct it to absolute referencing by going up here and putting a $sign in front of your B and a $sign in front of your 3. And then you'll notice if you go and drag it down that you'll get the 500 in every cell. That's absolute referencing, where it refers back to cell B3 in every instance. So now you have your if statement, and your if statement is referring to the fact that if the driver is male, there's an additional 20% in the basic premium. So we go and we get our insert function dialog, we go get our if dialog, and here's our if dialog box. And what's our logical test? Well, our logical test is the driver male? So we go and get the B6 cell with the driver's gender, and we say if it's equal to, and remember when you're using a text comparison you always put it within double quotes, so equal to male in double quotes. And if that's true, then we go and get our basic premium for that driver, which is in D6, and we multiply it by 20%. And otherwise there's no discount. We hit OK, and there's a 20% premium for Pat Kelly being a male, and then if we drag that down, you'll see that there's no discount for the females, and the full price then is simply the basic premium plus the gender premium, and you drag that down. And lastly, you need to highlight your cells that are monetary values, and go up here and hit currency, and you'll get currency values in all those cells. And that's your Insure with Us example.